London area. And that's, you see this wind wave, see what else, Scott and Hamden, what time of the worst of the storm. Again, it's going to be coming in tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock tomorrow. It's going to be really the heaviest snow. And northern Connecticut could snow heavily for a couple of more hours.
Mr. G from Cold Spring, what determines where the snow ice line is formed? Okay. Well, with that, it's all about the rain-snow line, not only at the surface, but also in the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere. Scott and Hamden, when do you think roads start clearing up again? Monday. Basically Monday, as I said before, because the snow's going to be blowing around, even though it's not going to be snowing very hard on Monday. So everybody stays off the roads on Monday. So I think Tuesday we'll get back to normal.